Hello, subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna do a quick video about the passage code, how to enter a passage code here with the YL-99 digital door lock opener. But it's pretty simple. The instructions doesn't explain it well. But first, the only thing you have to do is you can use the master code, which the master code is 01234 pound. Okay, you probably heard it unlocked. So the only thing you have to do if you want to enter a passage code for if you have guests or anybody coming over and you want them to get in and out of the closet or cabinets, only thing you have to do is you can use the master code. You enter 01234 pound, and when the beep stop and before the lights go off, hit the star and pound. And you probably heard the two beeps. Now it's in passage mode. So now if somebody come to your house, they want to get in your cabinet, whatever, they just hit any number and it'll open. We'll let the light go out. So I can hit any number and it opens. So to clear the passage code, just hit star and pound. Now the passage code is cleared. So if I hit a number, it don't work. And the manual said to enter it using the number 9. So I'm gonna enter a code with the 9 is the passage code. So the only thing you have to do is enter your master code, 01234 pound. And we're gonna enter 999 before the light go out. Star. Okay, now it's in the passage. It's a passage code. So I can do it just like I did the master code. 1234 pound. Okay, before the light go out, hit star, pound. So now it's in passage mode also. So you can use the 0 or 9, the master code or the passage code. So now it's in passage mode. So I hit enter, hit any key. So I'm gonna hit any key again. And to get out of the passage mode, just hit star, pound. That's it. I hope this video helped and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.